Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just gonna start by arranging my jeans how I want them to be, and I'm pretty sure you'll be able to see in the thumbnail what I'm talking about. So I think I used 4 or 3 pair of jeans, and I just arranged them how I want them to look before I cut them out. So right here, I'm just cutting out the jeans the way I organized them so that I can sew them back up together. And I'm just going to do that with each pair of jeans, cutting out the piece that I need so that I can sew them together, if you get what I'm saying. So right here you can kind of see what I was talking about, how I cut pieces of the jeans out to sew them back together. So now I'm just going to start sewing, and I'm going to put the piece that I'm attaching, I'm going to put that on inside out and then sew it together. I think I'm explaining that right. I hope I'm explaining that right. So I'm just gonna continue those same steps with all the little pieces of jeans that I cut out, which I think was like 4 pieces, and I'm just gonna connect them back all. And I recommend that you sew the seams down together, like the seams of the pants. Sew those down together first so your seam will be even and your pants won't look crooked. So right here, I'm just trying on the jeans to make sure they fit and to see how everything looks. So I decided I actually wanted to make these stacked jeans. So I just cut the pants leg. I used the pants leg that I already cut from the Levi jeans that I used at the top, and I'm just going to cut that bottom seam off because that's not really stretchy, and you want your jeans to be able to go up your leg. And so I'm just arranging the sleeve to see what it would look like and see how much of the pants leg, not sleeve, that I actually want to use. And I'm just going to sew that on the same way I sewed the other pieces together. right here, I'm just gonna start on the top, and I just used the crotch area of the last pair of jeans that I cut up, and I used that as the top. So I just cut it I cut a hole at the bottom so that I can put it on, and I'm going to make some sleeves out of more pieces from the jeans that I already cut up. I'm just attaching the sleeves that I already made to the top.
Yes, I'm trying to check this.
So that's pretty much it for the outfit that I made. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.